So you said he stopped at probable cause. So let's talk about that. When you were finally reviewing the evidence and the information that you had to walk this warrant, you were told by Detective Juarez, who was present at the autopsy, that Melissa Perez had been shot twice.
Yes.
Right. We've heard from the medical examiner that the only possibilities are that one officer shot her twice, so one officer is responsible for both the injuries on Melissa Perez, right? Or two officers could have shot her once. Does that make sense?
Yes, it does, yes.
Right? Because if you have two gunshot wounds, two entry wounds, right? Only two entry wounds. That means that two officers could have shot her once. But it is impossible that three officers shot her once. You understand that?
I do, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, knowing and understanding that it is impossible for three officers to shoot her one time, that means you know and understand that it is impossible that three officers caused the death of Melissa Perez.
Yes.
Yes. So, when you walked that warrant, when you made your affidavit, did you include in the affidavit that you gave to a magistrate that it was impossible for all three of these officers to have committed murder?
No, I didn't.
You didn't. You didn't tell the magistrate at all that there were only two gunshot wounds in Melissa Perez.
I did not.
Right. So, Nancy Villalobos is sitting right there. You walked a warrant on her husband and the father of her child for murder. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Right. And you don't even know if he's the person that shot. Right?
Well, I know he shot, but we don't know
her.
We don't know which one hit her. Yes.
You don't know if he caused her death.
We don't know. Yes, sir. He was I viewed it as he was a party to the offense.
Yeah. See, and I figured you'd say that. Now, where did you put anywhere in here that he was acting as a party to the offense when he is shooting almost simultaneously with the other officers?
I did not put that in there.
Did they all get together and have a plan to kill Melissa Perez? Did you see any evidence of that?
No, of course not.
Right. So, as a party, you know that they have to aid and abet. Did he go and grab Flores' gun or Alejandro's gun and help them pull the trigger?
At the time, we didn't know still who actually shot her.
That's why you don't walk a warrant for murder when people and their families and everybody else is relying on that. Do you see what I mean?
Objection, relevance, and argumentative, Your Honor.
Hey,
You can rephrase.
that is why you do not walk a warrant for murder. For murder. His little boy's going to grow up.
Objection, Your Honor.
Hey.
Counsel asking a question.
I am asking a question.
All right, let's get to the question.
Do you understand? You understand that child will grow up and search his father and it says that he committed murder when he didn't shoot her. Do you know that? Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so there's another way you could have done it. You could have waited on the results of the ballistics, of the firearms and tool marks analysis, right?
Yes, we could have. Yes, sir.
You could have. These guys could have sat on admin duty. That could have happened, right?
Could have happened. Yes, sir.
Right.